and welcome back to Storytime with Lil Sasha. Today's story is Zommer's Summer Snowstorm, written and illustrated by Ned Young and imaginatively read by me, Lil Sasha. Hey Mom, yelled Zommer. It's really hot outside. Can I have a snow cone? On one condition, said Mom. I know, said Zommer, that I can clean up the kitchen when I'm done. Zommer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboard. Let's see, he thought. What flavor do I want? After making his choice, he turned around and saw his snow cone was now about 3 feet deep. Uh-oh, thought Zommer. I'd better get the mop. But after thinking about it, Zommer decided to put on his hat and mittens and open the kitchen window instead. As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother. Hey, what's with the hat and mittens? Asked Cooper. Yeah, said Cooper. It's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long, replied Zommer. The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard. Telling, said Hopper, shivering. Why? Said Zommer. I already asked Mom for permission to turn summer into winter, Cooper said, his teeth chattering. How are we supposed to practice our baseball game with this in the way? Complained Hopper. Oh, guess we'll just have to play around it, Hopper said with a huff. While Hopper and Copper griped about the freezing weather, Zommer got right to work, taking advantage of the first snowman of the season. After Zommer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided it needed some company. So, he built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far yesterday and beyond. Later, Zommer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoom Arctica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave. Don't look, whispered Hopper. You'll only encourage him. Yeah. Well, you have to admit, though, whispered Copper, it is pretty cool. Toot, toot, shouted Zommer. Hey, said Hopper, can't you see we're trying to practice here? But when Zommer began building an amusement park, their mittens went on faster than a happy puppy's wagging tail. When Zommer's tummy grumbled that it was close to dinner time, he scampered the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. As Zommer finished, Mom and Dad came in. Zoomy, said Mom, you look hungry. What would you like for dinner? Chili! Yippee Zommer. Chili! Exclaimed Mom. Yeah, said Zommer. On a really cold day like today, a big, hot, steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot. Dear, said Dad nervously. Did Zommer just say on a cold day like today? Well, okay then, said Mom. Chili it is. Chili! Yay, Mom! The end. Thanks for reading with me. If you liked my story, don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay up to date on all of my new stories. I'll read with you next time. Bye!